name is Brandon, and I drive this 2014 Acura TSX Special Edition. I chose this TSX because originally I had a 8th Gen Civic Si Coupe, and it got in an accident. And then I was actually looking for another 8th Gen sedan, but people told me, oh, you should just move on to another chassis. So I was looking into the 1st Gen TSX, and I didn't really like it. It's not bad, but I suddenly fell in love with the 2nd Gen. I saw it with the Mugen kit, and it got me inspired. And then I had to find it, so it took me about 8 months of researching, looking through every website, and eventually I found it on CarMax and shipped it over. So the front end, I have a Mugen rear bumper. I do have an authentic one, but I leave it at home. I also have a slower than KW coilovers, and I have some 19-inch Enkei Rajin wheels. And I also have a spare headlights, and I also have 2 helo horns. Side, I have the Mugen side skirts, Wells visor, because I had the Mugen visors, but it doesn't have the chrome. It just kind of looks a little bit tacky to me. And then I have the Mugen rear lip, the Superior taillights, Superior badging, a deck lid from eBay. It was actually fits really well. I have an endless RPM exhaust. That's pretty much it. So interior, I kept it pretty basic. It was a special edition, so I just basically did a titanium shift knob. It has a shift knob extender with a Comtech short shifter, an ARC shift plate, and I redone the whole audio system. It has 4 Audison subs, 2 Audison tweeters, a JL 12-inch sub, and pretty much it. Future plans, I plan to keep it very simple. I plan to maybe get a hood, and basically get 18-inch wheels, which these are 19s, but I plan to go C28s, and that's pretty much it. To give a shout out to Kelvin Lee for helping me check out this car and making sure it was good, and a huge shout out to TNL Auto Body, specifically Tommy Lee, for helping me put together pretty much this whole car. He basically installed pretty much all these parts on this car, so huge props to him.